You can select a part of a structure and delete it. Easily modify the column heights. Or modify them using the 3D snaps. You can move the beams manually. Or type in the movement value. Define the elevation value of one of the ends of the beam to incline it. Or move the end point along its vertical axis. Move a beam end freely. You can insert a new beam. Choose a connection point on the column in the beam's axis position. Insert the floor decks and complete the roof structure.